Once we pull the battery out of the saw, we'll find this tool tacked away at the bottom here. We can just slide that out. This tool slides onto the nut in the middle of our saw blade. We now want to turn this anti-clockwise while holding down this lever here found at the front of the saw. You might need a bit of force to do the initial turn, but your hand should be moving in the opposite direction of the saw blade teeth. I can now unscrew this the entire way and take out both of these parts from the saw. Our saw blade will now just lift up and you can pull it out. With your new 185, this is the 184mm saw blade, you always want all the visuals, all the writing facing out so you can read it. Your saw blades are going to have a empty blank side, and that's the side that's going to sit in the saw. So I'm just going to slide this blade in, sit it where it needs to go. I'm going to grab this piece again, and I'll be able to wiggle the blade around until it fits in place and that blade shouldn't have any lateral movement. Then I can put my screw back in, finger tighten it as far as I can. Then we want to hold this same lever at the top while tightening that with the blade. And we can slide that back in.